Now to look at a numerical problem. We have this one that says, in the figure below, AB represents a lighthouse of 112 meters high. The angle of depression from A to two boats C and D in the same horizontal plane as B are 74 degrees and 66 degrees respectively. Now over here we've got AX, so this is actually X. AX is parallel to BCD, meaning these guys are parallel, and we see that C and D are in the same horizontal plane. Alright, now first question, write down the angle of, or the size of angle ACB. So ACB is this angle over here, and these parallel lines should immediately ring a bell, so we can actually see that this one and this one are alternate angles. So angle, if I go to question 1, angle ACB is equal to 74 degrees, and the reason is it's alternate angles, and AX is parallel to BCD. And now for question 2, calculate AC. Now we need to calculate, so we know this is 74, then we need to calculate this AC. And to do that, since this is a right angle triangle, we can just use our ratios. And if we work from this angle over here, this known side is opposite, and this AC is the hypotenuse. So the ratio that uses opposite over hypotenuse is sine. So I'm going to say sine of 74 is equal to the opposite, which is 112 over AC. Then to isolate AC, I'm going to use cross multiplication. I'm going to take AC up and bring this sine 74 down. So this will give me AC is equal to 112 over sine of 74 degrees. Alright, so if we put that onto the calculator, we will have our fractions, and then 112 over sine of 74. So this gives us 116,51. And that's in meters. Then finally for question 3, calculate the distance between the two boats. So our two boats are C and D, and that means this distance between them. Now, since we know that this is 116,51, so this is known, and then also we basically need this side. We have this side. So if we start off by our sine, we can say that this angle over here, if I say 60 or 74 minus 66, so if I say angle CAD, so CAD is equal to 74 minus 66, so that's equal to 8 degrees. So this is going to be 8 degrees. Then I know this angle, and if I know this angle over here, I can use the sine rule, because then I've got this angle which is across from CD, and I've got this angle which is opposite of AC. And this angle over here, if I look closer, this is also alternate angle. So CDA is equal to 74. No, that can't be right. 66 degrees, and it's alternate angles. And we state that AX is parallel to BCD. So knowing that this is now 66 degrees, we say we want CD. So we're going to say CD over sine of the opposite one is 8, the angle across it, and that's equal to this length over the sine of this angle. So 116,51 over sine of 66. Now to calculate that, so CD is equal to 116,51 sine of 8. I just took this sine up over sine of 66. So what I get then, so 116.51 times by sine 8 over sine 66 is equal to 17,75. So 17,75 meters.